I see a lot of people making a lot of money with YouTube automation channels. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my experience of creating my own one, how much money I spent, how much money I made, and if I think it's a good idea for you to start one too. Creating a personal brand channel is a great idea, but how scalable is it? Not really, if you ask me. It still requires me sitting in front of a camera. Obviously you can outsource the editing and everything that goes past that, but I'm still required sitting here. With a YouTube automation channel, you can totally outsource everything. So back in December last year, I decided that I was going to create my own YouTube automation channel. So I picked a niche and I got started. I did some research and then put together 10 video ideas that I wanted to go and make. But for this to work, I had to find a team of people who could help me produce the videos. So all I had to do was think of the idea of the video itself. I needed a script writer, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and a thumbnail designer. So I put together a job posting on Upwork for each of those individual slots and waited a couple of days, and I had hundreds of different proposals. I managed to get it down to 3 writers, 2 voiceover artists, and 2 editors. I knew that I had to be super clear of the instructions, so I put together a system and a process so that someone new coming into the team, or if someone left or anything like that, they could simply just go into my documentation and pick up where the last person left off. While these videos were being made, I focused on building the channel's assets, so the banner, the logo, the branding, etc. After a few weeks, I had 2 videos ready to go, but I knew that I wanted to have at least 5 videos before I started uploading onto this new channel. A few more weeks went by and I had 5 videos ready, so I started to schedule them out. I'm publishing the first video. Publish. 11:39 AM. And to my surprise, the second video I uploaded started blowing up. Hold up! I am as sick as a dog. The video I uploaded got copyright strike, so I'm editing it. And I think it's going to be the same thing, but the whole reason I wanted to do this was build a team that could produce videos for me without me having to do anything. But a couple of months in, I decided that I would start doing YouTube shorts for the channel and let the team continue to make the long form videos. And the YouTube shorts did pretty well. They started to bring in new subscribers, but I have scaled that back for the meantime. As of today, I've made 30 long form videos and a bunch of YouTube shorts on this new channel. So let's get into the money. I have spent £250.46 on script writing, £350.95 on voiceovers, £644.72 on editing, and £9 on a PDF that is all about Zapier and automations that you can do for the back end. So in total, I've spent £1,255.13 on this channel. So how much money have I made? A big fat £0. The channel is not yet monetized and is currently sitting at 426 subscribers and 628 hours of watch time. So if you know anything about YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get the channel monetized. So there is a little bit of a disclaimer in this. Throughout this time, I did actually buy a house. Wow. So that definitely played into the factor when it comes to consistency and just running the channel itself. But I will continue to work on this channel because I do truly see the potential in it. I'm going to be documenting the whole process of building this new channel here on my main channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow along the journey. So do I think YouTube automation is worth it? Yes, but don't believe a lot of the stuff that you see online that it's, YouTube automation is a very, very funny word, I think, for it, because you don't want to make videos that AI can produce, in my opinion. And obviously people are making money from AI videos, don't get me wrong, but what's the barrier to entry to that, right? So you want to build a good team, you want to make amazing videos, and that's going to cost money. And as you can probably see from this video, I've not made anything back from it. So I'm treating this like an investment, like I was investing in the stock market or into properties. So I think that's the way that you got to think about it. There's videos on this channel that didn't make any money for 2 years, and then all of a sudden it blew up, or when my channel got monetized, then that video started to make money and pays dividends every single month because of work that I did years ago. I'm looking at that through the same lens of Yes, these videos aren't making money as of today, but there's nothing stopping the next video blowing up and the snowball effect of what, you know, dripping into all of the previous pieces of content. So I think that's the way that you need to think about it. Now the goal is to probably spend half an hour a day, not even that, managing this new channel, just trying to make the best content I can on that new channel, because I feel like that is the only way that you're gonna grow something like this, is to just make amazing content, right? So yeah, it's a journey, it's a process. I think it's worth getting into if it's something you're interested in. The channel that I've made is in a topic that I am interested in, and I know a lot of other people are interested in, so that's obviously a massive factor. Is, you know, if I wasn't interested in it, then it'll probably be something I look at and, you know what, I'll let that kind of slide and take that as a big L. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I can do with this and hopefully get it monetized as soon as possible and start making this channel profitable would be the ideal scenario, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.